A for astronaut. A for artist. A for architect. A for actor. A for author. And A for archaeologist. B for banker. B for baker. B for barber. B for builder. B for botanist. And B for business person. C for chef. C for carpenter. C for coder. C for cashier. C for coach. And C for counselor. D for doctor. D for dancer. D for dentist. D for designer. D for driver. And D for detective. E for engineer. E for electrician. E for editor. E for economist. E for event planner. And E for environmentalist. F for firefighter. F for farmer. F for florist. F for fashion designer. F for fisherman. G for gardener. G for geologist. G for graphic designer. G for gymnast. G for game developer. And G for guitarist. H for hairdresser. H for historian. H for hotel manager. H for housekeeper. H for host. And H for helicopter pilot. I for illustrator. I for inventor. I for inspector. I for IT technician. And I for interior designer. J for judge. J for journalist. J for jeweler. J for juggler. J for janitor. And J for jazz musician. K for karate instructor. K for kitchen helper. K for key maker. K for cat guide. L for librarian. L for lifeguard. L for lab technician. L for lawyer. L for logistician. And L for landscape designer. M for mechanic. M for magician. M for magician. M for mathematician. M for makeup artist. N for nurse. N for news anchor. N for nutritionist. N for nanny. N for naval officer. And N for network engineer. O for optician. O for office assistant. O for oceanographer. O for opera singer. O for orthodontist. And O for outreach worker. P for pilot. P for photographer. P for police officer. for painter. P for pharmacist. And P for plumber. Q for quality analyst. Q for quarry worker. Q for quilt maker. And Q for quick service worker. R for rock star. R for radiologist. R for receptionist. R for roofer. R for researcher. And R for race car driver. S for scientist. S for singer. S for sailor. S for surgeon. S for social worker. And S for software developer. T for teacher. T for tailor. T for taxi driver. T for technician. T for translator. And T for traffic police. U for Uber driver. U for umpire. U for university professor. U for Ufoster. And U for urban planner. V for vet. V for vocalist. V for videographer. V for volunteer. V for violinist. And V for vlogger. W for writer. W for waiter. W for welder. W for wildlife photographer. W for watchmaker. And W for web developer. X for xylophonist. X-ray technician. X for Xerox operator. And X for extreme sports instructor. Y for yoga instructor. Y for YouTuber. Y for yacht captain. Y for yodeler. Y for yard worker. And Y for youth counselor. Z, zookeeper. Z for zoologist. Z for Zumba instructor. Z for zipline guide. Z for zither player. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more, please like, share and do subscribe to Bakbak Bachche.